What's going on, YouTube? Back out in the garage today. This is again our JKU, our 2018 JKU. Today's project's gonna be a little different than what I've been doing. It's gonna be replacing these hinge covers with a light. Got one for each side. Got these as a gift, and I wanted to get them installed. What these will do, like I said, they'll replace that hinge cover, and this will act as I believe it's a brake and a reverse light, and a running light. So you can see there's two in the package. They are wired together. So yeah, it should be a running light, a brake light, and a reverse light. So looks pretty straightforward on the instructions. It's literally 4 steps. So I'll give you some clips, the black clips, and some tape to keep the wire stuck inside the track around the door. The wire will, the way I understood it, I read through these instructions once before, I'll ride inside this track and come inside at some point. What I've done, although I didn't bring it out, I bought a trailer plug, 4-wire trailer plug, because there is 4 wires here. It's kind of hard to tell there, but, and the reason I bought a plug is because we do take this top off. And what I'm going to do is, here where your plugs for your top, your factory things, which are your wiper, I believe it's your wiper and your sprayer, but I'll bring those wires over here and have a plug here as well that I can unplug those hinge covers so we can take the top off. But what it looks like to me is, if you can look right here, there's just 2 like J clips, and then right here at the bottom there's a clip. So I'm going to do my best to get these off without breaking them, because you never know. If I break one of those, then I can at least go back with the factories. But that's the plan, so we'll get at it here. So it seemed like the trick to getting the old ones off was to I was kind of pushing up from the bottom and pulling out a little bit, because what you've got is there's that plastic clip. So, and I was able to save both of them. These clips on top are in good shape, so mission accomplished on that anyway. Those seem like they went on really well. You can see there, they're just clipped in. I'm leaving the plastic on them for the moment. Now the next thing is it did come with some clips to go in here. I just need to see exactly how they go. Once I get the clips figured out, then I can start securing that in place. I'm just using some spray away glass cleaner where I think those clips are gonna stick. They are just stick-on clips. Not a huge fan of that, but comes with, you know, clips and two-way tape. So we're gonna give it a go. Otherwise, if it doesn't stay, I will come up with something different. Well, like I said, you get a little two-way tape in these clips, so I'm thinking if I can get them back in there as far as I can. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not here, but the loom itself is getting hung up on these clips, and I don't really want that. You can just see that green wire. So what I'm fighting with is trying to get that to actually sit in there properly. What I may need to do on the next one is actually put the wire in the clip first, which they're very simple clips. It's one side's open and then the opposite side on the other. And I used the little two-way tape piece and put it up on there. Hopefully it'll stay there. I just gotta see if I can get that loom better. So I'm gonna use 3 across the top and 3 down the side. At this point, I'm just trying to find some place that I can come inside the vehicle conveniently. And not interfere with anything. I'm thinking if I were to loop over this at all, I might create a water leak there, so I'm gonna have to come down. You know, water's gonna follow the path of least resistance, so it will likely just follow that and drip right inside. So I guess I'm gonna just have to come down here at the bottom and try to loop in there. Maybe if I do that and loop back up, that will give the water somewhere to come down and drip off the end of the wire before going back up inside. So I think that's what I'm gonna try anyway. So I think I'm gonna try to put a clip up here to pin that down, a clip down here, and then I'll come inside and try to put another clip somewhere here on the inside to hold it. See if that, like I said, really only time will tell, right? Alright, so for wire routing, again, I put a clip here and then loop this back over and put a clip back here. Like I said, what that should allow, and I've got a clip there, so that should allow any water, moisture that's going to travel this wire to come down and drip off right here before this routes up in. I don't believe that's going to interfere with the way the top closes at all. You know, the gate closes against it, holds it tight, so there's not going to be a problem with any of that. Now for our wiring, I've got to get from inside of that tail light inside the Jeep, so I don't know if there's easy routing already. So we'll pop that light off and take a look inside there and see what that looks like. And then I did add the factory, or not factory, but trailer lights to this. So what we're seeing in here is there's a plug down in there. I don't think you can see it, but that plug is the factory. This comes off of that, providing my trailer lights. So we just gotta see how we're gonna tap into this thing. The instructions provide you with these little wire splicers. I've never been a huge fan of those. Now we just gotta find, oh, there is an access hole here. Alright, so what I've decided I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off. This is the wires that came with it. I will then solder those to one end or the other of this trailer plug. Like I said, it really makes no difference for this application which way I plug them in, so we'll solder that on there. We'll have plenty of play. Then I can utilize some of this wire that I take off to patch into the light in the back. Like I said, there is a grommet already in here. Fish our wires that we need through it. So that's the idea. So the trailer plug and the wires from the lights are actually pretty similar color coded, not exactly, but I can go white to white, brown to black, green to green. You know, there's about half of them here I can like for like, and then just we'll fix them up as we go. Alright guys, we're ready to give these a test. I've got everything kind of temporarily wired. I haven't even heated up the shrink tube or anything. This is still just bare in here, but it should. Alright guys, we're testing these out real quick, at least for the moment. I do have what appears to be the running light. What we should end up with should be the running light, the brake light, and a reverse light. So we're going to test them out real quick. Did that change anything?
No.
That should be brake.
Okay.
What about the tail light there beside you? Is it?
Yeah.
What, the lights up the top are? How about reverse?
Reverse is on.
On the ones up top?
Yes.
What did that do? Anything?
Turned everything off.
Nothing there though.
Yeah, they're on.
They come on and off with the brake?
Yeah.
But they don't change there, they're just on.
Correct.
I don't know if that's intended or not. What's going on, guys? Wanted to kind of give you the finished product here. Got that tail light back in. Got this all taped up and my plug there so I can plug and unplug these when we take the top off. And I just wanted to give you the last kind of look of it right there. That should be just your running light. That's a brake light. Or there's reverse. Go through that again, please. Just running light. Turn your headlights on. Alright, so there's your running light. As you can see, step on the brake. Let off. Do it again. It's hard to tell, but they do get a touch brighter there to go with the brake light. And then there's your reverse light. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. Something I've not seen anywhere out yet, so kind of a unique little thing there. And plus it gives us a little bit more visibility on the road. With additional high mount brake lights, we do have the ring in there. And there you go, you can see that. But, you know, provides a little more light as we back up. We do have these lights in the bumper, but I've got those wired to a switch that you have to turn on and off. Not a huge deal, but those will provide a little more light in the you know, as you're backing up and things. So just wanted to give you guys kind of that final view of it. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.